Hello kids, how are you guys doing today? I have a pineapple and I have a coconut milk. Okay, let's start it. Okay, well today I'm using the fresh pineapple. Of course you can use a frozen pineapple too. I have 2 cups of pineapple and then we put it into the blender, the mixer, and then 1 can of coconut milk. Okay, and then well, let's put all the pineapple in there. Wow, look at it. It looks so good already. And then we put some syrup because we need some flavor on it. And then we keep blending it again. Okay, after we blend it, it is ready. And what we're going to do is we put it into the container. We put it in a container and then put it into the freezer and frozen it until it's hot. Okay, it takes around, I would say, at least 3 to 6 hours. Okay, the best to do when we get this one done. Okay, we can just like put it to the freezer. Okay, well when you see the bubbling in here, and I will suggest you to do, and you try to use the spoon and then try to smooth it. Try to smooth it, okay? Because it look better.
And right now you can go to do your homework. You can go to Bible study. You can give a hug to your mom and dad.
Okay, put it into the freezer for overnight already. Let's see. Wow, look at it. Okay, when you take it out from the freezer, you just let it sit an hour or 2 hours, because otherwise you really have to get the slush come out. And then what we're going to do is we can use the spoon like this, and then we can put it in our cup. Put it into the cup like that. Wow, look at it. Look at it. It's so nice. Okay, let me grab some more too. Wow, look at it. I just put the pineapple in it. Well, like this is our pineapple frozen slush. Please try it and enjoy it. See you next time. Bye-bye. Praise our God, all peoples. Let the sound of his praise be heard. Psalm 66:8.